My name is Luke Nushart. I am currently a senior at Kaukauna High School, and I'm doing a youth apprenticeship through Miron Construction, working at Victor Haen Elementary School. So what made me get into construction was my dad is a millwright at C.R. Meyer, and then I got cousins in Miron and they're carpenters, and that's how I got the idea of being a carpenter. So I decided to do a youth apprenticeship to get a head start on the carpenter experience. So when I started, I was with the masons, basically tending and moving bricks and shoveling mud for all of them. And then after I was with the masons for like 2 months, I switched to carpentry. I've been doing a lot of stuff with backing, making forms, pouring concrete, and a lot of that stuff. With my experience with both the masons and the carpenters, it's helped me decide that I want to be a carpenter, and that's just more of my family background and all the stuff that I more like to do. I'm most proud of learning how to put up forms for concrete and learning how to do backing. Well, being a high school student at Kaukauna and working on Victor Haen has been pretty cool, especially since it's right by where I live, and it's cool to work in the area on my own school district. I guess the most surprising thing on this project is basically how fast it's moving and how quickly different trades get their stuff done and how it comes together. So the youth apprenticeship has given me a bunch of good experience before I even get into the normal apprenticeship. Once I get into the normal apprenticeship, I'll have a bunch of knowledge already and I'll have just a head start. For anyone considering a youth apprenticeship, take the opportunity. It's great experience before you get into the job, and you can figure out if you like it or don't like it. The next steps for me would be going to the Union Training Center. Miron is my sponsor through that. Training will start in the fall. 4 years of schooling through that, and that's basically the process.